नमस्ते बच्चों, myself NK Rai welcome you all on the platform of USCDDU Public School Maharajganj, and I am here with your new topic, Unit 6 of your textbook, and the chapter name is Triangle. In this chapter you have to study more about triangles. Before we come to this topic, let us revise the terms triangle and some topics related to it. So we have prepared a revision notes on triangles. Now, what is triangle? So you can define a triangle as any polygon which has 3 sides and 3 vertices is known as triangle. Okay, 3 sides and 3 vertices is known as triangle. And you can also define a triangle as a plane figure bounded by 3 line segments is known as triangle, which we have not written here. But you can define a triangle as a plane figure bounded by 3 line segments is known as triangle, and it has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. As you know it, you have already studied in previous classes. Just I am recalling it so that you have no problem in the chapter, in the coming chapter triangle, which is given in your class 10th textbook. Now, types of triangles. So types of triangles, there are 3 types of triangles on the basis of the length of sides. Okay, there are 3 types of triangles on the basis of angles. We have written first one is acute angle triangle. A triangle in which each angle is less than 90 degrees is known as acute angle triangle. A triangle in which one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees is known as a right angle triangle, and a triangle in which one of its angle is more than 90 degrees is known as obtuse angle triangle. And on the basis of length of the sides, there are also 3 types of a triangle. First one is a scalene triangle, a triangle in which the length of all sides are different is known as a scalene triangle. A triangle in which 2 sides are equal in length is known as isosceles triangle, and a triangle in which length of all sides are equal is known as an equilateral triangle. Now, centers of the triangles. There are 4 different centers of the triangle. You have already studied in class 8 and in class 9, also in class 7 perhaps. So first center is known as centroid of triangle. So what is centroid? The point of intersection of the medians of the 3 sides of the triangle is the centroid of triangle. It will always inside the triangle. The centroid of triangle always lie inside the triangle. As you can see in the figure, this is a triangle, and this is a triangle, and this one is one of the median, this one is another median, and this one is another median. So we have drawn all 3 medians, and these 3 medians intersecting at this point. So this point is known as centroid of the triangle. Okay, so point of intersection, the point where all 3 medians intersect each other is known as centroid of the triangle. This point is, this black point is known as centroid of the triangle. Okay, now second one is in center of a triangle. in center of a triangle. The point of intersection of the angle bisector of the three angles of the triangle is called the incenter of that triangle. It is the point from where the circle is inscribed in the triangle. The radius is found by drawing the perpendicular from the incenter to any of the sides of the triangle. So you can see this is the triangle. This one is a triangle, and we have drawn bisector of all the angles. Bisector of all the angles. This is the bisector of this angle, and this one is bisector of this angle, and this one is the bisector of this angle. All these three bisectors are intersecting at this point. So this point of intersection is known as in center. As you can name here A, and this one can be named as B, and this one can be named as C, and this is the in center. This is your in center, the point of intersection, and these are the bisectors of these angles. Okay, so these are the bisectors of these angles. So this point is known as in center, and it is given that the point from where the circle is inscribed in the triangle. As you can see, by taking this point I as center, you can draw the circle which will always lie inside the triangle. It will touch the sides at 3 points, and by drawing the perpendicular from the in center to the circle, you can find the radius of the inscribed circle. Okay, now third one is circumcenter of the triangle. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector of three vertices of the triangle is called the circumcenter of that triangle.